Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Happy Friday the 13th. Yay! I was born on Friday the 13th, so 13 is my lucky number, and it also may explain a little bit about my personality. So today I thought I would do a unboxing haul of some Chanel and some Louis Vuitton, and also wish you a happy, lovely weekend and see how you guys are doing. First of all, if you're an existing friend, welcome back. Hi, I hope everybody's doing well. If you are a new friend, please subscribe to me so we can all have a nice, fun time on YouTube, and please hit the notification bell so you can be aware of whenever I upload a video. So today's Friday the 13th. 13 is my lucky number. I was born on Friday the 13th, if that explains anything with my personality. I'm just in a really happy mood. My week has been really nice, and it's gorgeous out. So, all right, guys. I wanted to ask you how you feel about me unboxing things. You are wonderful people. I love being in contact with you. I love watching you guys, those of you who make videos and Instagram. And then I love all the rapport that we have here. So let me know how you feel truly about me showing you things. Because number one, I don't want to come across as bragging. I really don't. This is something that I love. It brings me joy. But out of the whole scope of my life, this is like a small part of it. And you know how I feel about life. Like, the most important thing is the love you have for yourself, the relationship you have with yourself. And then number two, the relationship and the empathy and the compassion and the everything that you have with your family, friends, and pets and cats. So those are the most important things in my life, and true health is my journey that I'm on right now, of body, spirit, and mind. So I don't want to come across as bragging, and I want you to know, and those who watch me, you guys know that I'm on this health journey, and I'm trying to change a lot of things about myself. But I did some shopping, and I had some fun, and I want to share it with you guys. So it's a little new for me to do unboxings on this channel, so I'd like you to let me know your opinion. You guys are the ones who help me and, have a relationship with you guys. So please let me know how you feel about unboxings on this channel, because it's not really a normal thing for me to do. Sometimes I buy stuff and I don't even open it for months, or I just open it and I talk about it maybe a year later. And I like talking about it now because a few of you have gotten some pieces, like my pretty friend went and bought this, but she can only find it in pink, and that's sold out. So I want to show you some things before they get sold out. And I will always tell you, I'll always update you with a review. I'll always be honest if I return anything, and I will always be honest if I sell anything. So let me know your feedback. All right, let's get started. Should we do Louis first, or should we do Chanel? All right, let's do Louis first, because I just bought a box. Let's move Chanel so she doesn't get upset. We'll move you to the side, baby. You know you're still my number one. I love you, Chanel. Okay, so we're going to move Chanel to the side, and we are going to do Louis. All right, so you guys know that I did an unboxing of the Graceful MM with the rose ballerine interior. I love that bag. That'll be my spring summer bag. I'm really excited to use that. I might use it this weekend because it's finally amazing weather. And I've been looking for some small leather goods and some fun stuff to get to match that bag. So I'm still on the hunt for azure, and none of these pieces are azure. In fact, I'm not really sure what everything is. I know there's two of the same in this. That was a mix-up. I'll have to explain that later. So let's get started. Okay, let's do this one. Look how pretty this is. So let me know, Louis Vuitton lovers. Let's do this one. Does Louis not... What do you think about the new packaging? Like, I love the old packaging with the brown boxes and having the leather strap. Do they not do that anymore? I like the thick ribbon, and some stuff doesn't even come with ribbon, which is weird. Okay, so this is the first one. Let's open up the box. I always love the pull tab boxes, and I'm doing this with one hand. Hubby's not available. Thank you for your feedback, by the way, on hubby. And he said thank you. Well, he didn't say thank you. I'm saying thank you for him. He did say that was nice, that people liked him. Oh, okay. This is so cute. I'm so happy I scored this. found a fabulous sales associate, and she was able to track down some really hard to find things for me, and this is one of them. This is the spring summer Louis Vuitton collection, and I love Louis Vuitton trunks and bags. Even though I haven't been buying Louis Vuitton, this is from years and years ago, so I like anything that has to do with the heritage of the brand, you know, just showing the old steamers or the old travel. This is pink. So I love things like that, and they'll never leave my collection. So let's open up this bandeau. Now, years ago, I used to buy so many bandeaus. I would go to Hermes and I would go to Louis Vuitton every week. If you watch the video that I have, it's luxury items that I've never used. I talk about not doing that and not going and buying so many of these type of things because I was just hoarding these bandeaus. But when I saw this, and I was worried that I wouldn't get my hands on it, I wanted it because, one, it has the heritage trunks and bags. I love trunks and bags, and it has the lock and it has pink. So I thought this was a really cute bandeau, and I don't really have much monogram, but I might wear it around my neck. I might tie it on my wrist. I'm going to find definitely a purpose for this. I think it's adorable and cute, and it's my only Louis Vuitton bandeau. And that was really nice. So the sales associate's like, do you want, I'm really picky. She was like, do you want me to leave the tags on? I'm like, yes. She's like, do you want it to still come in the plastic? I'm like, yes, I want everything to do with it being brand new. I'm picky that way. So, okay, bandeau, beautiful purchase. Okay, let's get to this one. This is another small leather good. Let's see what the hell this is. Okay, I think it's... I'm not sure because I told you in my other video my husband accidentally ordered something for me. Okay. Monogram vernis. Okay, I know what this is. Okay. I got the rose ballerine interior, and I love these things. These are the key holders, and yes, this is in the rose ballerine, which is a really pretty milky pink. If it's pink, I love it. Now, I don't have any of the new vernis key clays. The old one I have has the inventor plaque on it. So this is a new style for me, but it's really, okay, it's got nice one pocket. It's got the zippered, why is this open? Okay, I'm sorry. It's got the nice, okay, so this side doesn't have a pocket. The other side has a pocket, and then I have that. I use these so much. I have used my blue Nuit for 10 years. So I will be replacing it with the rose ballerine. That's very pretty. That was beautiful. So I'm happy with that purchase. Love my bandeau. Love my key holder. After 10 years, I feel like, yes, it's a good time to have the to have a key holder, a new key holder. Let me just see. So I always liked when vernis I would get, it would be nice and deep, and you know, the imprinting, I liked it nice and deep. Now it's coming up a little pale on camera, but it is very pretty. So this is the last Louis Vuitton item, and I think I do know, yeah, I know what this is. Okay, so this is something that I have, and these were all shipped to me. That's why I didn't know they really what they were. I had watched Luxe Purse video, and I had this piece before, and then I was like, I'm sick of Monogram. I don't want it anymore. But then I saw this piece, and I was like, I loved it for travel. Why did I give it up? So this is the, what is this? Oh, this is so cute. She gave me little perfume samples. That's really nice. See these little touches in a sales associate? Make up for the bad experience that I had the other day in Louis Vuitton. But this is really nice. Well, I'm assuming these are fragrance samples. Yes, really nice to put that in there. That's so cute. Okay, so let's open this. Okay, I hope this is what I'm thinking it is. It has to be because of the size. Okay, yeah, it is. Okay, yes, it is. Okay, so this is the Toiletry 26. Oh, sorry. I'm going to unzip it for you guys. I'm so sorry. I'm like, This is the Toiletry 26 in the Monogram. Let's put it right side up. Sorry, I was trying to unzip it for you and show you the inside of it. It's really nice. I wanted this again because I travel a lot and I use a lot of small cases, and I use a big tote, and then I'm putting all these small things in a big tote. But I kind of want to use it to put all my jewelry pouches in when I travel. I mean, it's a great catch-all for everything, but I keep all my jewelry in pouches when I travel, in little, the Cartier pouches or the Van Cleef pouches, and I thought I could put all the pouches in here. And not only that, this is a great bag to put all your essentials in your big tote. This is a great bag for travel. I know some of you ladies and gentlemen wear this as a clutch. I don't know how you guys do it. Let's compare it to the clutch I just got from Chanel. So let's look at the interior. And okay, so what's going on? All right, it's made in Paris. It's made in France. Brand new Vache. The person that sold this to me, the sales associate, tracked it down. She's like, there's only like 2 left in the country. That shocks me. What do you mean this is 2? When I bought mine like 15 years ago, there was like a ton of them on the shop. It was like lined up, ton of them. So I don't understand. I guess maybe because people are using it as a clutch, and it's a great price point to use as a clutch. So that's why people are buying this piece. I just thought it was so cool for travel. So let's take this, let's take the box off and let's compare it to the Chanel clutch, because you guys have asked me the Chanel clutch, is it good to use as a clutch in the nighttime? Let's compare the size. Let's keep the Louis there, which is great. This is probably, this and this are my only Monogram pieces now. I used to have the, does anybody remember the Sofia Coppola bag? I think that came out before it definitely came out before the bandolier, but Sofia Coppola had this really cool Monogram bag. That was my favorite Monogram bag. I'm telling you, I used to be a heavy duty LV girl, and I was still a Chanel girl, but I loved LV for casual, and then I just got tired of Monogram and I sold it off. I had Speedies. I think I was the first person, not the first person, but I first bought the Neverfull when it first came out, the first batch. And I remember I sold that bag for like $300, and now I regret that. Why did I sell that bag for $300, that Neverfull? Anyway, okay, so this is my only Monogram. Let's see. So this is the clutch that I got from Chanel recently, and I still have not used it. I did a review on it below if you want to look at 2 videos ago. I did a clutch review. So let's take this pouch out. I love small leather goods, guys. I love things that... I love bags, of course, but why not have fun things in your bag? So somebody asked if this could be a clutch. So let's put it up next to the Louis Vuitton. I probably won't do the Chanel unboxing now. I'll do that tomorrow, because I'm already going into 13 minutes, and I don't want to take up too much of your time. I know you guys say you like when I ramble, but do you really want like an hour video? I think 3 of you guys would listen to it, but I don't want to be, I don't want to monopolize your beautiful day. Okay, so this is the Chanel clutch. What I like about this, and it's on fabric, when you put items in it, it will stand up. And I know that with the Louis Vuitton Toiletry 26, this doesn't snap like the Chanel. Okay, this will also stand up. So here are some really good pieces for clutch wear that you can probably use. Would I use either of these as a clutch? I will use this when I go run errands. And just like I use this, I had a coffee date yesterday, turned into a wine date too, which was really nice. I do use this for like running to errands or just like a quick little coffee date. I will do the same with this. And now I think I'm going to do the same with this. I think this is going to be a great piece to use. I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of this. I think this is going to be a great baby. So the other thing that I want with the Louis Vuitton is the Nice BB, the small cosmetic case. I just want it for all my lipsticks. I thought, let me put my favorite lipsticks and lip glosses in the Nice BB. So sorry, guys. Do I even have you up right? I do. I dropped my phone. Sorry. So when I did the Facebook, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, when I did the YouTube live, you guys told me that the Chanel case that I showed you was really small and I should get the Nice BB. So I think Monogram is so tough. Let's see if everything aligns. It's really pretty. And this Monogram is different than when the Monogram I was buying it. It comes off a little bit more yellow, but when I bought Monogram sometimes, it was really yellow. It was really, really yellow. So it feels the same thickness. People said the Mono got thin, but that's probably on the bags, right? Not the small leather goods. This is such a great piece. I'm really lucky. Thank you, Lux Purse Love, for showing this in your Louis Vuitton collection because it got my interest back up. And it's cute. And I've seen people take their bandals and wrap them around the middle. I'm probably not going to do that because I'm klutzy and it would just slide off and then I would lose it. So that's my Louis Vuitton purchases. I'm very happy with them. They're very pretty and they're very useful. I like them. I will come back and I will do a unboxing for Chanel. I'll probably do that later on tonight. I got to run out. I will do that later on tonight, so maybe they'll come up and they'll both be posted on the same day. So I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Excuse my fumble of my phone. You probably saw my leopard pants. Excuse my my fumble, and I hope you have a great weekend, and I hope your day is fabulous. And the giveaway will happen in the next 4 days. So follow me on Instagram. I will be posting when I'm going to do the Facebook Live. We'll have a party. I'm going to do 2 giveaways that night. So I love you guys. I hope that you're having a great day, and I will talk to you very, very soon. Mwah. Take care. Bye-bye.